Meet Maya and Emma. Today they are talking about online shopping versus in-store shopping. Maya likes shopping online and Emma prefers shopping in stores. Let's listen to their fun conversation and see which one is better.
Hey Emma, I just ordered the cutest jacket online. You should try shopping online. It's so convenient. Oh, I don't know, Maya. I still prefer going to stores. I like seeing things in person before I buy them. But that's the best part of online shopping. You don't even have to leave your house, and there's no need to deal with crowds or waiting in lines. True, but with in-store shopping, I can try stuff on right away. Plus, I get to take it home the same day. Okay, fair point. But online shopping has reviews. I can see what other people think before I buy something. Yeah, but you can't feel the material or check if it fits just right from a review. Sometimes those sizes are way off. That's why they invented free returns. If it doesn't fit, just send it back. No big deal. Ugh, but returning things is such a hassle. I'd rather just buy what I need in store and avoid the whole back and forth. Well, I'll be sitting on my couch in pajamas while you're out there battling crowds. Ha ha ha. Yeah, but I'll be walking out of the store, bag in hand, feeling accomplished. All right, we'll see who gets their jacket first, me in my comfy PJs or you running around the mall.
I hope you enjoyed the conversation between Maya and Emma. Let's break down some words and phrases that might be tricky to understand. The first on the list is online shopping. When Maya talks about ordering a jacket online, she means she bought it through the internet. This is a way to shop without going to a physical store. In-store shopping. Emma prefers going to stores. In-store shopping means visiting a physical place to buy items where you can see and touch products before you purchase them. Convenient. Maya mentions how online shopping is convenient. This means it is easy and comfortable to do, especially since you can shop from home at any time. The next phrase is battling crowds. When Maya refers to battling crowds, she is talking about being in a large group of people. Crowds can make shopping in stores difficult, especially during busy times. Emma says returning things is such a hassle, which means she finds it annoying or tiring. She calls it a back-and-forth process, meaning you have to send the item back, wait for the company to process it, and sometimes wait for a replacement or refund. Emma would rather skip this whole back and forth because it takes time and effort. When Emma says that sometimes online sizes are way off, she means they can be very different from what you expect. Way off is a phrase people use to say something is quite far from being correct. Try stuff on. Emma enjoys trying things on, which means putting clothes on to see if they fit. This is an important part of in-store shopping. Emma says, "I'd rather just buy what I need in store." I'd rather is a way to express preference, meaning she would prefer to buy things in a physical store than to go through the process of ordering online and possibly returning it. Finally, Emma talks about feeling accomplished after shopping in store. Here, feeling accomplished means she feels satisfied or proud, like she achieved something by finding and buying her items in person.